So whenever I press the show daily affirmations, this schedule affirmation is the function that gets called. Inside schedule affirmation, I will be scheduling a cron job. So for scheduling a cron job, I have declared two variables. One is the cron. Now when you want to set up a cron, you need the package cron. Okay, so now to install this package, again you have two ways in which you can install the cron package, either through the command prompt or you can add it directly in your pubspec.yml file. If you can see in my pubspec.yml file, there are three packages that you need. First is the cron, second is the Flutter local notifications, and one is the Google generative AI, because this is the package that you will need to integrate your Gemini. Now if in one of my previous videos I have shown how you can integrate your Gemini with your Flutter application, I'll be linking that in the description as well. You can check it out. And let's continue. So once you declare this cron variable and your scheduled task, this is basically the API key that I'll be using to initialize my Gemini. And this is the response that will store the output which the Gemini AI will generate. This is a string that I'll be using to show the affirmations. All right. So inside my schedule affirmations, I have inside the schedule task, I have stored my cron job. So cron.schedule, and then I have used schedule.parse. So this is the syntax of scheduling a cron. It could be 5 stars or 6 stars. So as you can see over here in this image, so uh, if it's a 5 star, okay, the first star represents minute, the second star represents hour, the third represents the day of the month, the fourth the month, and fifth is the day of the week. So currently I have used 6 stars and I have used \30, which means that it would be generating a notification in every 30 seconds so that I can show you guys in this video. But in case if you want to maybe schedule it for every hour, okay, so what you can do is you can just use 5 asterisks, and then you can go ahead and 0 and 4 asterisks. So this will mean that every 0th minute of every hour it will show a notification. Similarly, you can schedule it for any day, any day of the week, or any month, or any specifically if you want to schedule your affirmations like that. And then inside this, I'll be calling the generate affirmations method. So as you must have seen, after I canceled the daily affirmations, I was not getting any notification, right? So for canceling the daily affirmations, all you need to do is, that's why we had created this schedule task. So you can just call the cancel schedule affirmation and this will cancel it. Okay, so in this, whenever I press this button, this function will be called cancel schedule affirmation, and that will cancel the schedule task. Now, this is a small task for all of you. Do try this out, and do try out different prompts that you can give your AI. And in the comment section, maybe you can put the different affirmations that you get as a response or you get as a notification. And I hope you all like this. I hope you will try it out. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much.